Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's practice. In this series, we will cover all the important questions from the important topics of chemistry. I can assure you that from this series, you will get to revise all the important topics which are important for your UPSC EPFO exam. So let's start today with our last topic, organic chemistry. I will suggest you that in each question, first pause the video. Try to attempt it by your own. You can comment your answer in comment box and then resume for the solution. I will try to explain and give some extra fact in each question. So let's practice. Question number 1. Alcohol prepared by the distillation of wood is option A. Propyl alcohol, option B. Methyl alcohol, option C. Ethyl alcohol, option D. Glycerol. Correct answer is option B. Methyl alcohol. Let's move on to the next question. Denatured alcohol. Option A is a form of alcohol. Option B is unfit for drinking as it contains poisonous substances. Option C contains colored impurities. Option D is sweet to taste. Correct answer is option B. Denatured alcohol, also called methylated spirits, is ethanol that has additives to make it poisonous, extremely bad tasting, foul smelling, or nauseating to discourage recreational consumption. In some cases, it is also dyed. Denatured alcohol is used as a solvent and as fuel for alcohol burners and camping stoves. Now let's see the next question. Match the following. List 1 compounds. 1. Ascorbic acid. 2. Ethylene glycol. 3. Ethanol. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. List 2 uses A. Mouthwash. B. Antifreeze. C. Disinfectant. D. Essential vitamin. Choose the right code. Option A 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A. Option B 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Option C 1D, 2B, 3A, 4C. Option D 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Correct answer is option A. Some major compounds and their uses are as under. Ascorbic acid, it is essential vitamin C. Formula C6H8O6. Ethylene glycol C2H6O2 is used in antifreeze materials. Ethanol C2H5OH. It is used in disinfectant and alcoholic beverages. Hydrogen peroxide O2H2. It is used as mouthwash, personal hygiene. Let's move on to the next question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1 polymers. A. Bakelite. B. Nylon 6. C. Low density polythene LDPE. D. Polystyrene. List 2 applications. 1. Tire or cords. 2. Electrical switches. 3. Shock absorbing packaging material. 4. Squeeze bottles. Codes are option A A2, B4, C1, D3. Option B A2, B1, C4, D3. Option C A3, B2, C4, D1. Option D A3, B4, C1, D2. Correct answer is option B. Bakelite is a thermosetting polymer formed from a condensation reaction of phenol with formaldehyde. Applications of bakelite: manufacturing of electrical switches, protective purposes and in the coating industry, making the handles of a variety of utensils. Nylon 6 is a versatile synthetic material that can be formed into fibers, sheets, filaments or bristles. These are in turn be used in the production of fabric, yarn and cordage. For example, fine nylon 6 filaments are used in the manufacture of hosiery, knitted clothing and parachutes. Nylon 6 bristles are used to produce toothbrushes and bristle brushes. Low density polythene LDPE is a thermoplastic made from the monomer ethylene. LDPE is widely used for manufacturing various containers, dispensing bottles, wash bottles, tubing, plastic parts for computer components, and various molded laboratory equipment. Its most common use is in the plastic bags. Polystyrene is a synthetic aromatic hydrocarbon polymer made from the monomer styrene. It can be solid or foamed and is widely used to protect consumer products, CD and DVD cases, foam packaging, peanuts for shipping, food packaging, meat or poultry trays and egg cartons typically are made with polystyrene to protect against damage or spoilage. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Let's move on to the next question. Which of these is or are not correctly matched? Carbon compound, common name 1. Ethanoic acid, A. Carbonic acid, 2. Ethanol, B. Alcohol, 3. Benzene carboxylic acid, C. Benzoic acid, 4. Sodium carbonate, D. Baking soda. Options are option A 2 and 4, option B 2 and 3, option C 1, 3 and 4, option D 1 and 4. Correct answer is option D. Ethanoic acid is commonly known as acetic acid. Sodium carbonate is washing soda. Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Let's see the next question. Which organic compound is mixed to prevent ethyl alcohol from illegal consumption but is toxic in nature and can cause blindness? Option A propyl alcohol, option B methyl alcohol, option C butyl alcohol, option D isopropyl alcohol. Correct answer is option B. Methyl alcohol is added to ethyl alcohol and made unfit for human consumption. Ethyl alcohol with a small amount of methyl alcohol is called denatured alcohol. Other chemicals called denaturants can also be added. Methyl alcohol causes a sudden increase in heart rate and blood pressure and can cause temporary or permanent blindness. Methyl alcohol is also used as an antifreeze solvent and fuel. Therefore, B is the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Which among the following polymers is a biodegradable polymer? Option A nylon 6, option B nylon 6,6, option C nylon 2, nylon 6, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option C. Nylon 2 nylon 6 is a biodegradable polymer. It is an alternating copolymer of glycine and aminocaproic acid and hence copolymer and polyamide. It has great elasticity and elastic strength, so it can be used in making parachutes, seat belts, cloths, ropes, waterproof tents, carpets, etc. Let's move on to the next question. Cotton is a polymer of option A glucose, option B neoprene, option C terylene, option D ethene. Correct answer is option A glucose. Most animal fibers are made up of proteins. Synthetic fibers such as nylon and polyester are made of long chains of hydrocarbons usually manufactured from crude oil. Cotton, as most other plant fibers, is made of carbohydrate called cellulose. Cellulose is a polymer made up of glucose. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following fertilizers is known as explosive fertilizer? Option A nitrogenous fertilizers, option B ammonium sulfate, option C ammonium nitrate, option D ammonium sulfate nitrate. Correct answer is option C. Ammonium nitrate is known as explosive fertilizer. That's because ammonium nitrate, a chemical commonly used as agricultural fertilizers, is a highly explosive compound. Ammonium nitrate or NH4NO3 is frequently added to improve a fertilizer's nitrogen content. But ammonium nitrate has a potentially lethal downside. If it comes in contact with an open flame or other ignition source, it explodes violently. The explosive force occurs when solid ammonium nitrate decomposes very rapidly into two gases, nitrous oxide and water vapor. The last question is, which of the following statements about biofuel is not correct? Option A, biofuel is eco-friendly. Option B, biofuel is cost-effective. Option C, biofuel can contribute to remedy energy crisis. Option D, biofuel is also made from corn. Correct answer is option B. Biofuel is conducive to the situation. It is manufactured by maize and sugarcane. Biofuel energy can contribute to the solution of energy crisis. Biofuels are considered to be a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. However, they are generally more expensive than competing fossil fuels. So these were the important questions from organic chemistry for UPSC EPFO exam. If you don't want to miss this series, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification when the video will be uploaded. Thank you and keep learning.